সম্মানিত মহাসচিব অ্যান্তোনিও গুতেরেসের ধারণকৃত শুভেচ্ছা বার্তা।
We are now presenting the recorded congratulatory message received from His Excellency Mr. Antonio Guterres, Honorable Secretary General of the United Nations.
I send warm greetings and congratulations to the government and people of Bangladesh on the 50th anniversary of their independence. The people of Bangladesh have made tremendous strides over the past 5 decades, particularly on issues of social development and disaster preparedness. I congratulate you on this progress, including your forthcoming graduation from the category of least developed countries. Bangladesh is playing a valuable role on the world stage as the largest troop contributor to United Nations peacekeeping operations, chair of the Climate Vulnerable Forum, and host to hundreds of thousands of Rohingya refugees from Myanmar. The United Nations is your steadfast partner in all these areas. We will continue to stand with Bangladesh in tackling the climate crisis and working for the Sustainable Development Goals. I send you my best wishes on your Golden Jubilee.
यूनाइटेड नेशंस के सेक्रेटरी जनरल एंटोनियो गुतेरेस इस वक्त संबोधित कर रहे थे और बधाई दे रहे थे भारत और बांग्लादेश के जो द्विपक्षीय संबंध इतने स्तर पर आगे बढ़े हैं। ये खास समारोह स्वतंत्रता दिवस से जुड़ा हुआ जो कि बांग्लादेश का है और बांग्लादेश के गठन को 50 साल हो गए। भारत के साथ जो महत्वपूर्ण रिश्ते हैं बांग्लादेश के, उसमें कई पड़ाव आए, कई उतार चढ़ाव आए, लेकिन ये 50 बरस का रिश्ता बहुत खास रहा और इसी से जुड़ा हुआ हर संबोधन।
Here in 10 Downing Street in 1972, that was instrumental in forging the friendship between our countries, and I fondly recall being welcomed to Bangladesh with a great deal of warmth and generosity in 2018. The bond between us is incarnated by the 600,000 strong British Bangladeshi community who contribute so much to the United Kingdom every day. I think particularly of the fantastic doctors and nurses in our NHS, many of whom are helping to treat and to vaccinate people in our battle against COVID-19.